Hello all, this is Sem8Evaluation1 and this is a brief overview about the progress made so far in developing low-cost pharmacy application, which is now also being known as pharmacist.com.pk. These are the tasks that have been done so far. First of all, I have implemented a permission layer, now limiting access to critical operations only to certain roles and those roles having those permission to do so. Next, edit email verification process to the sign up task. Moreover, made some changes into the GUI which were recommended in the last evaluation. Next, implemented pharmacy module, which now allows pharmacies to have their accounts on our application and manage and maintain their stock and branches. Finally, merge all the modules into a single application, now a single sign-in page for all the roles, either you are logging in as pharmacy, manufacturer, or normal user. Next, I deployed the application now online, bought hosting as well as the domain name, and now the application can be accessed at the given URL, that is pharmacist.com.pk. So now let's talk a bit about the functionality of application. I have currently logged on as a manufacturer. You can confirm the working of the sign up and logging process at the provided URL. Now first of all, let's see the autocomplete option that I have implemented over here. When I type 3 characters, then the suggestion would be shown to me. Let's just choose one and search for brand, and this the search result page now has also been changed according to the suggestion made into in the last evaluation. So basically the new feature that was added to this part was inclusion of autocomplete option. As well, let me show you that for the sort search, which also allow us to have tagging in case we want to search for multiple sorts, and we can remove them as well. Now let me give you a brief overview of the changes that have been made to the manufacturer page. Previously there were separate pages for manufacturer to add product and update product. Now everything is being done on the single page. This is a module for adding a product. I have made some UI changes as well to the form for adding a product, adding or updating a product as suggested in the last evaluation. Similarly for update product and delete product as well. So these were the changes that were made to manufacturer pages. Now let's move on to the pharmacy pages. Now I have logged on as a pharmacist. Now here you can see we got 4 options over here for pharmacy pages as well. First of all, let me explain you what the add products page is all about. Here I have provided 2 methods for search. Either you can type the name of a manufacturer and you can get all the products listed by that manufacturer, or the other one is we can type a product name, a brand name, and we can get all the similar brand names here. Here the search method is quite different from that of searching an alternative. Here for example, if I type ABC and just send it as search, now this string would be matched to the closest matching brand names and result would be shown. Next we have got a branch manager page for the pharmacies where they can add up their branches and can update them. Quite similar functionality as in case of adding medicine. However, these two fields, longitude and latitude, are quite not yet functional, but might be made functional in the future in case we want to provide some Google Map API plugin in order to for a pharmacy to select its address from that map. Now let me move on to stock manager page and give you a bit overview about that. Here once you have added a product, from that product page all the products would be shown over here. The only fields that a pharmacy can change about the stock is the availability and the retail price. Trade price would always be provided by the manufacturer. Finally, the last feature that was implemented was providing a pharmacy as well as manufacturer with a way to make up their own homepage. I have used line control editor, that is a jQuery plugin, supports Bootstrap. So whatever HTML you can write over here, for example, as well as you can create your full page for the website, which would be whose HTML would be stored in our databases and can be retrieved to view a manufacturer or pharmacy page. So that was all about the functionality of application. Now let me sum up this video by telling about what my future plans are regarding this application. These are some of the tasks that I have planned to do next. First of all, improve the user friendliness of the application, as was suggested by some of the users who have used the application. Next, improving and fixing some of the client-side functionality for web application and enhancing the one present now. Next, moving on to auth-based authorization for mobile phone application. As well as we'll try to improve and create some of the content pages for both mobile and web application. Moreover, now I think so next what would be most important to do is to put the application to use for some of the manufacturers who showed interest in this idea and might be willing to use this application, and as well as contact with some of the pharmacies and see what response I can get from them. Thank you.